Hey you guys, welcome back to yet another episode of Alecia'S Kitchen. In today's video, I'll be making this extra cheesy breadstick. Guys, thank you so much for stopping by once more. If you're new, you're most definitely welcome here. Now, let's bake. So guys, first things first, in a mixing bowl with your hook attachment, you're gonna add a 2 1/4 cup of bread flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1/4 cup of butter softened, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And you're just gonna mix that until it's crumbly. And now that it's at the texture that we want, we're gonna add our milk, and that's 1 cup of whole milk, guys. And you're just gonna mix that until it forms a ball. So now guys, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of olive oil. I'm not sure if I'm the only one that adds olive oil to my pizza dough, but I love olive oil on my doughs. And guys, if you don't have a mixing bowl, you can knead this in Jamaica, guys. Not even Jamaica, the Caribbean. Guys, if you know how to knead flour dumpling, you know how to make this, okay? You can knead this. You can knead a pizza dough, okay? All right. Now I'm just forming my dough, and you guys, you see how sticky that is? You guys see how sticky that is? That's the consistency you want from your dough. Now guys, I already went ahead and sprinkled flour on the counter, and you're just gonna roll your dough, and I'm just cutting it in the desired shape that I want. Mine is actually a rectangular baking tray, and I'm just cutting that in the desired shape. Now guys, I always par bake my pizza dough. I just don't like when my pizza dough is doughy. Now guys, now that it's out of the oven, it was in the oven for about 5 minutes. Now I'm adding some salsa. That is what I have on hand, guys. I didn't have any marinara. This was just salsa, and I add some oregano to it and olive oil. And that's about it, guys. And you're just gonna spread it all over your dough. You guys can use anything you have in your cupboard. And I'm just spreading that sauce all over the dough. Now guys, I'll be using mozzarella, and I'm just sprinkling that all over my dough, and I'm going ham with this cheese, guys. I don't like tiny little bit of cheese on my pizza or cheese breadsticks. Like, it's a no for me, so I'm just going ham with this cheese. Now guys, I'll be baking this for about 10 to 15 minutes. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness, look at this cheesy yummy breadstick, guys. I tell you, this was so good. I know all my recipes always say, oh my goodness, this was so good, but guys, this was amazing. Now you guys can cut this in whatever shape you guys want. I'm just cutting it in the regular, breadstick size. You guys can cut this in 4 and eat it like that. By all means, you can do that, guys. Okay, this is your cheese sticks. This is your cheese sticks, guys. This is yours. Okay, eat it whole if you want. Okay, guys. Oh guys, thank you so much for stopping by. I absolutely love this recipe and I do hope you guys enjoy it as well. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, become a family over here, and I'll definitely see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.